Good morning, students. We are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, AP series. And the name of this chapter is Arithmetic. एक मिनट एक Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is AP series, chapter number 5. The name of this chapter is Arithmetic Progression and the short form of this name is AP. AP, and we can also say that it is AP series. As I have written AP series, it means this chapter is related to some series type values. So how will we start it? See, if I will write 2, table of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I just have stopped here. It means there are 5 multiples of 2, table of 2 till 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But if I will write dot, 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 so what is the meaning of this dot, dot, dot? It means these numbers will go till infinity. These numbers will go till infinity by adding 2, 2 and 2. There is a special series we have observed here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. If I will write like this, 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, then the next one is 12 and so on. Here also we have observed one thing. In this, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 and so on. And in this, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Both the series we have observed a pattern, a fixed pattern. Addition of 2, 2 in each and every term. Addition of 1, then 2, then 3, 4, then 4, then 5, then 6 and so on. So we have to follow this pattern. But in this, but we can't say that these what is the special name of these series. Fine. So today I am going to tell you about the AP series. In AP series, the difference of the number, the term should be constant. Constant means if we are adding 2, 2, 2, then it should be by adding 2, 2, 2. And here we have written 1, then plus 2, then plus 3, then plus 4. No doubt it is a series, but this is not the AP series. In AP series, we need a constant, a fixed distance between the two consecutive terms. So, we are not going to study about these series in this chapter. We have to study about the AP, that is the same distance between the series. So, here I am going to tell you more about the AP series. If I will write here 5, then 10, then 15, then 20 and so on. So the first term, this 5 is known as the first term. And what is the difference between two consecutive terms? It is 5. How will you calculate the difference between two consecutive terms? Bigger number minus smaller number, this will not work here. The difference can be calculated by second number minus first number. Second number minus first number. Third number minus second number, and the next second number minus first number. Third number minus second number means you have to subtract the adjacent one from the previous one. So the difference will be plus 5 and plus 5. So this 5 is written as the first term. First term, second term. See, in your class also we can say first table, second table, third table in the same way. But I have written first term. They are known as the term, and the first term is 5. Second term is 10. Third term is 15. Like that you can write about this. But there are some special name in this AP series. The first term is written as A1. The first term will be written as A1. They just have chosen this small a as a symbol of the AP series, and the next will be A2. A2 means second term. A3. How will you write A3? A3. And what is the meaning of A3? Third term. If I will write here A10 down now, what is the meaning of A10? It means 10th term. A100. A100 means 100th term. 100th term. For denoting the terms, you always write TH because these are the position, note the numbers. So A10, and how will you say about A70? 70th term. And AN means nth term. AN means nth term. AP means pth term. AP means pth term. So this is all about how we will name these terms. And only for the first term we will use one more symbol. First term A1, and it is also known as A. So only A means first term. A2 means second term, A3 means third term, and so on. So, what we have observed from here, this one is A, and this one is A2, then A3, then A4, and so on. So, if anyone will ask about A4, then we can say that A4 will be 20. The next is the difference between these two terms. This is known as the common difference. Why I have written common difference? Because in our AP series, the difference between two consecutive terms will be remain same. Will always remain same. If it will not remain same, then the given series will not be in AP. So if the difference between these will be remain same, इसको हमने क्या नाम दिया है? कॉमन डिफरेंस. What name we have given here? Common difference. And the shortcut for this will be D. So what is the meaning of D? D means the common difference in the AP series. And how will you calculate this common difference? This common difference can be calculated by A2 minus A. This D can be calculated by A2 minus A1. I already told you to calculating the common difference, you always have to take the, if you will take A2, then you have to subtract A. If any student want to calculate A, D by using these two terms, so he or she should write A3 minus A2. This D can be calculated A4 minus A3. So don't you think so? This D can be calculated A100 minus A99. And for writing the formula, we can say this D means AN minus 1. And this D can be positive, can be negative. If the value of D will be positive, then the series will be increasing. Then the series will be in the increasing order. And if the D will be negative, then the series will be in the decreasing order. Fine. So this is all depend on the value of D. So what we have learned from here, D is the common difference, can be calculated by subtracting these two, and subtracting these two doesn't mean that you can calculate A minus A2 or you can calculate A2 minus A1. You have to calculate A2 minus A1. If you are taking these two, then A3 minus A2. If you are taking these two, then A4 minus A3. Fine, students. So this is about the common difference. So the difference between both the two consecutive terms is known as the common difference, and the short form for the same is D. After this, what we can write? A2 minus A is equal to D. This we have calculated from here. Now, if A is 3 and your D is 2, if A is 3 and your D is 2, if these two values will be given, I can calculate all these terms, as many as they will ask in the question. First term is 3. Now the second term is, I don't know. Third term, don't know, not given. Fourth not given, fifth not given, and so on, not given. But they have given D is 2, means plus 2. The answer will be 5. Plus 2, the answer will be 7 plus 2, it is 9, then plus 2, and this is 11, and so on. So if they will provide us the first term and the common difference, we can calculate each and every term. So the formula for the same will be written as our A3. If you want to calculate A3, first let me start with A2. How you have calculated A2? A plus D. A plus D. How have you calculated A3? A plus 2 times D. आपने अगर A में 2 बार D को ऐड कर दिया तो what you will calculate A3. And how will you calculate A4? A plus 3D. So similarly we can say that AN can be written as AN, nth term, can be calculated by A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the main formula of our chapter. I am going to write it here. AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is equals to first term, and D is equals to common difference. And what about the next one is N? N is the position, and we denote the positions, and AN means nth term. And we are having more names for AN. AN का एक नाम तो AN है. One is nth term and the next one is last term. If only n terms will be there. If only n terms given. If only n terms given in the question. So AN is AN minus equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. If you want to calculate A2, then it will be put n is equals to 1. Then A2 is equals to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, and A2 is equals to A plus 1 into D, that is D. So it means you can write down you can calculate all these values by using this method. So if next is, if you want to calculate A100, so then put n is equal to 100. A100 is equals to A plus 100 minus 1 into D. So it will be A plus 99D. So next time onward we will use the shortcut. A5 means A plus 4D. A7 means A plus 6D. A20 means A plus 19D. A plus 19D. Clear student? So this is the formula for the AP series for calculating. Here A is equals to first term. D is equals to common difference. And in the same way that I have written here also, AN means nth term and N is the position. So here 4 things are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. They will provide you in the question. They will must provide you the 3 values, and you can calculate the 4th one. You all can calculate the 4th one. So A means first term, then second, then third, then and so on. AN means nth term. A plus n minus 1 into D. We are going to use this formula in our exercise of AP. This one. AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, This is known as the general formula for the AP series. If in the question they will give you, they will ask you to find the general formula, then answer can be this and can be in the first 3 term of the series. And if you want to calculate, like they have given third term is equals to 5 and fourth term is equals to 3. So it means third term means a plus 2d, 1 less, is equal to 5. Fourth term means a plus 3d is equals to 3. थर्ड टर्म इज 5 और उसके बाद अगली टर्म क्या आ रही है 3. सो इट मींस दिस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट d was negative here. d was negative here. अगर ये इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में आती है तो इट मींस d is positive. If they will be in the decreasing order, it means d is negative here. It is all depend on the value of d. It is negative or positive. And if you want to calculate like 1, 5, 10, 18 and so on, these values are given. Their question is, this is series, no doubt this is a series. If dot 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 written, definitely it is a series. Now they are saying check it is in AP or not. So A is equal to 1 here. A2 is 5. I will calculate D. 5 minus 1 is 4. This can't be, I can't say this is D. I am just will say that this is D1 because it is not in AP. A2 is 10 minus 5, that is 5. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. As D1 is not equal to D2, this implies the given series is not in AP. Is not in AP. क्योंकि बेटा अगर वो AP में होती तो the common difference will be remain same. अगर उसका नाम ही common है, common means same, it means the difference will be remain same. बट यहाँ पर इनका डिफरेंस सेम नहीं था, तो इसका मतलब क्या है, द सीरीज इज नॉट इन एपी. अगर ये यहाँ पर सेम आता है, यहाँ पर अब क्वेश्चन आता है फॉर हाउ मेनी प्लेसेस वी विल चेक. वी शुड चेक द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज टू, then difference of these two, then difference of these two. If in all the 3 times the d will be same, it means the given series is in AP, otherwise it is not in AP. Fine students. So if their question is like if they will provide you one series, this one only. Now their question is calculate A. So A is 5, the first, and calculate D. D is as it is already in AP. So D can be calculated by subtracting these two, by these two, or by these two. This is totally your wish. So I have subtracted these one, and the answer is 5. So this is the value of D we can calculate when the series is given. Fine students. So this is all about for AP series, the introduction of AP series, and in the next class we will start our exercise to and we will solve the questions. Thank you class.